farm fresh milk straight from the cow's udders. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my last Christmas vlog of the holiday season. Riker and I are just hanging out on the couch right now. We are making our still moments, our quiet moments super intentional today. So lots of coziness, lots of good, warm, happy feelings, a hearty soup, and a couple more things just together, me and the boys. It's gonna be a good day. So thanks for joining us. Make sure you like and subscribe, comment below in ways that you are making your still moments intentional and cozy. You guys have some of the best ideas that I've already started to incorporate into my life. So thank you for sharing, and I hope you guys enjoy my cozy vlog. Okay, to start off this vlog, we were on the other end of an act of kindness today, and it just boosted my spirits, boosted our week. Our mail lady just dropped off 2 gifts, one for Gunner and one for Riker, both age appropriate, wrapped in Paw Patrol with bows on top. Such a beautiful thing. We see her maybe like once or twice a week on our walks. We always stop to say hi, but you just think of like, she went to the store, she bought them, she wrapped them, she taped them, she put bows on them, then she put them in her car, and then she put them in her mail truck, and then she brought them here to our home. There's a lot of love and effort that went into that. So I'm gonna start by showing you what we're getting her as well as our garbage men. Just little things for people in your life who are just working the background. Oh, 'tis the season for the beautiful, happy things that happen during the holidays. Vlog with children, they said. It would be fun. Okay, actually, it's like the end of the night, but I'm gonna stick this segment of filming next to the one that I just filmed about getting those gifts.
Gloves?
Did you pick out the gloves?
Yeah.
Those are perfect, and she can still sort her mail.
And this too.
Some kind honey oat breakfast bars, because I would always want snacks if I was working all day long. And then I got her some hand cream because my hands get chapped in the cold, and I'm sure hers do too. And then because my lips also get chapped, I got her some Burt's Bees to make a better door than a window. Hi! I got her some chapstick, and that's what we got Latisse. And Riker picked out this beautiful bag. Okay, we're gonna go do bath time now. Okay, bye. Okay, by the end of this soup clip, I hope to have convinced you to start making soup every single week. This is the one I've made for the last 4 weeks. Why? Because it's very warm, very healing for your gut. It tonifies the stomach and the spleen, all made of really nutrient-dense vegetables, and it's so easy. As you can see, I'm literally just chopping these vegetables up into cubes, and then I add the salt, the broth, the herbs, turn the Instant Pot on, and forget about it. It is that easy. And then on top of that, when you don't feel like cooking lunch or even making breakfast, yes, I even have this for breakfast, you just warm up your soup. That's so nutrient dense. You don't have to think about it. It's got protein from the chicken stock. You guys, you've got to try this. Okay, it really has been the most cozy, gentle, and calm day. I think just because I chose to stay in instead of go out this morning and just relax, gift wrap, craft, read with Riker, it made the biggest difference. Like, I feel so relaxed, and so do the children. They're like really happy and calm. Amazing. So now we're going to go do some more crafting, go pick up some things at the store. Look at this, half gallon of farm fresh milk straight from the cow's udders. Literally no process, no heating, nothing. Straight from the udders. I'm sure into like a big barrel and then into these jars. And then this little guy, straight from the cow and then mixed with some probiotics. I don't know how they ferment this, but it's very clean, very rich, so rich and creamy. Like, you should not be afraid of the creaminess when it comes from good quality milk and animals. And then my farm fresh eggs. Woo! So beautiful. The yolks of these are just so bright orange and beautiful, how they should be. And then I got some frozen meats right here. Everything comes frozen except for, you know, the dairy. Very excited about my goods. Oh, you excited, Rye?
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Me too. I'm excited to paint a mug for Mom and Nan.
Oh, spoiler alert. That's what we're gonna go do. What does a chickadee say? Oh, chickadee, chickadee, fly through my window, find molasses candy. Through my window, my sugar loaf, fly through my window, my sugar loaf, find molasses candy. What a day. The babies are in bed. It's 8 o'clock. Tidied up a little bit. Now I'm going to turn my phone off, turn my Wi-Fi off, and just enjoy some time with myself, relaxing, listening to calm music. Goal is to get to bed by 9, so I'm gonna do a little bit of writing out our calendar. Haven't filled it out yet. It's just been a little bit busy and everything's been on my phone. So this is just helpful for our entire family to have it right here. I'm gonna do this, probably some stretching, definitely some tea, and then I'll crawl into bed, do my normal bedtime reading, just like a page and a half of stuff. First step, tea. Try to write down things that are just in my mind so that I'm not awake at night thinking about them. I also plan out my schedule for the next day so that I wake up knowing what I'm doing. Seriously, if I don't, then my days are just chaotic. I need some type of plan. I'm not overly controlling. I'd like to think I'm pretty chill, but with 2 kids, a little bit of control helps. It helps them too. So